Hi, babies. Hi, babies. You're a week old today. In 2 more hours, you'll be 1 week old. Look at all the fat bellies. Look at all the fat bellies. The bottle's warming up. You can eat soon. I still only have one with eyes open, but everybody looks like they do because of their eyeliner. Oh my goodness, what a loud bunch. It's coming.